The 2010 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, power steering, keyless entry, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear window defroster, power door locks, MP3 playback stereo, electronic stability control, power windows, brake assist, traction control system, brake park interlock, intermittent wipers, power seat, tilt steering wheel, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.